Ooh. Ooh. Hey, don't eat rocks. Stop it. Don't eat rocks. No. You stay. Okay, I'm gonna sit. No! You cannot, Spartacus. You cannot. Daisy's eating a rock. Look at her. Drop it. No! Oh, she ate it. Oh, she spit it out. There it is. No, wait. No, that's not it. Hold on. Okay, I don't know where it went, but she likes to eat rocks. And he's... Ooh, what did you find? Ooh, what's in there? Don't do that to the camera. Stop it. Ooh, stick off. Oh, there, look. No, stop. Look. Ooh. Ooh, look, the camera. Ooh. What is in there? Ah! Your breath stinks. Go back to the hole. The adventure hole. Let's go this way. Daisy sees something. Sparky's doing something to my leg. Don't know what that was doing. Oh. Ah! Spartacus, wait! Okay. I got tangled. Ah! We crashed. Ouch. Close up. No one wants this much of a close up, Spartacus. Daisy, what is your sister doing over there? Ooh, look, she found a mouse. Maybe. Let's go see. Ooh, what did you find? What? Let me see. Ooh. Ooh, what did you find? A goblin's gonna come out of there. Or a big rat. Ah! Oh, there goes Spartacus too. Oh, ah! Attacking the camera is not nice. It's very bad. Ew, there's slimy stuff all over the camera now. Yucky. Yuck. Spartacus. Oh. Let's meet Daisy on the other side. Boom. Yo. What's in there? Oh, she walked away.